Today, we're going to be taking index cards. It does not matter what size you have, some book pages, and a little something to do a little decorating with. And we can create this index card faux file accordion folders. Won't you join me? Hi Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden, and I'm so happy that you've joined me today. We're going to be using those index cards and some book pages. So let's get started. You can use any size index card that you have. Now, my larger one is 8 inches by 5 inches, and I have coffee dyed mine. And my smaller one is 4 inches by 6 inches. I have a book page here. On the line side of my index card, I want to cover that up with some book page. I'm going to use the larger of the index card, a little bit of art glitter glue. Now you could use any glue that you want. Laying my book page down, I'm going to place my index card on top like this. I just find it easier. And then I'm going to trim out my book page. I'm going to round the corners and bring in my ink. I'm going to ink up both sides of my index card. So now both sides are inked up, and if you use a sewing machine, this is when you would want to take it to your sewing machine and sew around the edge. We're going to need some papers to go inside of our faux file folder. You can use book pages for this. You could use coffee dyed papers for this. So I have trimmed a few to prep for this project. Let's go ahead and let's use some coffee dyed papers. Now what I did was I just used the measurements of my index card to trim my papers. I'm going to fold these in half. And I want to use 3 papers. 3 of these folded papers. Now let's fold our index card in half. You can decide if you want book page on the outside or if you want the book page on the inside. I'm going to use the book page for the inside. We rounded the corners of the index card, but let's make sure this fits. I think they're going to be a little bit big. A tiny bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to trim these down a little bit off the top and a little bit off one side. I'm hoping I can do this all together. Now let's see if these will fit inside and not show. Oh, I think that's perfect, but we do need to round the corners. I'd like to go ahead and ink up this side as well as this side. I'm not going to ink the inside up, but I do think inking this portion will add a little something. All right, so all 3 of them have been inked up. Let's set them aside for just a moment. I have punched out a tab, and we're going to be using this in our project. Just a little bit of inking. I also have my small paragraph stamp and my Stays On Timber Brown. I'd like to just add a little bit of script here and there. Maybe something like that. And let's go ahead and add our tab on. I'd like to add it about 1 inch from the side, something like that. You can add it anywhere that you want. if you make quite a few of these, it would be really cute if you would decorate them in the same theme, and then you would maybe put a tab here, and then the next one would be in the middle, and then the next one over here. And so when you placed them together, all the tabs would be graduating. I think that would be really cute. I brought in my little tray. It has a few things in it to give you an idea of what you can use when you're decorating yours. Of course, I brought in those adorable bunnies, and these bunnies are from Pixie Dust Files. These bunnies came with some sayings. I have some roses right here, fussy cut roses. I have some rectangles here. They have different sayings on these, and these are from Citrus Journal Studios. You could use something like this. Maybe you would like to use something like this. Now these are from the Old Design Shop. I also have a piece of lace. Let's get back to our index card. I'm going to add my lace over here on the right hand side. And this is where you can select whatever it is that you're going to use to decorate your little faux file folder with. All right, so you saw how different things looked. I'm going to bring in my Surebonder high temp glue gun and my little silicone stick. And I'm just going to add a little bit of glue here and my lace, and I'm just going to push that lace into the glue just to give it a little movement. I really liked how this looked. I think I'd like to add that to this one. A little bit more glue. In my dish, I have a sari silk bow, and the sari silk is from Crimson Heart Studios. I have a button with some thread through the holes, and I have some flat back pearls and some bling. You could use all kinds of things to finish this off. Maybe just a button, maybe a bow, and a little bit of bling is what I'm thinking of. So I think I'd like to add my bow on this side right here. And then bring the sari silk kind of around my little image here. We could add a button on there. That's pretty cute. We could add some bling. We could put it on the tab, or maybe even down here at the bottom. You could put some flat back pearls on. Oh, that's sweet too. I don't know, there was something about that button I really liked. So I'm going to pop the button on. Now we have the front all decorated, and now let's put the insides in. So what we want to do with our little folded pages, you want to take some wet glue. You want to try to just put a small amount along both sides. If you put too much, it will spread, and then your little pocket won't fold out very well. Now we've made 3 individual pockets. Make sure that your pocket has the opening at the top. Grab a second one. The opening needs to be at the top, and you want to put a line of liquid glue down approximately the center. It does not have to be perfect. And place your second pocket on top. Make sure it's as even as possible and press it together. With the opening at the top and your third pocket with its opening at the top, you want to add another line of glue and place your third pocket on top of the stack. And press it together. Now, after it's all dry, they will open up like this. Let's place this inside of our little cover that we made. Make sure that the pockets have the opening at the top, and get your wet glue and place a line of glue approximately in the center down to the fold, down to where it folds, and then place your little stack of envelopes into your little pre-made cover and press it down, making sure that your pockets you're adding are well within your cover. So pull down whatever side you haven't added the glue line to and add another line of glue and glue the cover onto that side. I absolutely love making these using those index cards that we all seem to have, and some book pages that we definitely have. And with a little bit of added something, you can create these adorable faux file accordion folders. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have, please give me a thumbs up. I invite you to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you there, guys. Bye now.